Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute unicorn magic 8-ball. It's actually really called a unicorn fortune teller, but the magic 8-ball is probably the closest thing to what this actually is. You know, you ask it a question and you shake it and it gives you an answer at the top. It's pretty cool and it's so cute to look at. So let's get started.
So I got this plastic snow globe at Michael's around Christmas time. And I painted this wooden square. It has to be wood. And you're going to want some glue and a Sharpie or paint marker. And of course glitter, sequins, anything you want to put inside to make it look beautiful. Sorry about my camera. I'm testing out a new camera today. It may be focusing in and out. But anyway, so I'm taking my wooden block. Again, it has to be wood. That way it floats to the top. And I'm writing all of the different phrases that you may get. There's 6 sides, so I have to think of 6 different phrases. And I kind of fancied them up a little bit with a silver Sharpie. That one had question marks all over it. It's kind of like a super maybe. Next, we're going to open up our snow globe. And we're going to put some glue in it. And the glue just helps to keep everything kind of gooey so the glitter doesn't settle quickly. And I'm just going to put a little bit in there. You don't need too much. And now I'm putting my wooden block in there, and it's time to put all the fun stuff like glitter and sequins. I have some sequins stars here, magenta colored, and some very fine glitter as well. And it's going to turn the water like a pinkish purple, which is really cool. And so I'm just mixing it around with a popsicle stick here, just getting that glue kind of dissolved. And you can see my wooden block is floating, so when I turn it around the other way, it's going to float to the top. And now I'm making sure my seal is tight, and I'm going to put the lid on and shake it around and see what we've got here. It's super cool, and you can see my block is turning. It's a little bit bubbly, but the bubbles will die down once all of the stuff gets mixed in together. So next I used some clay to make 2 ears and a unicorn horn. And they're going to go sit on the top like that, and the unicorn horn will sit right there. And I just used hot glue to glue it on. And I glued on some flowers, just making sure that we've got a lot of glue on here so that when we're shaking it around, it doesn't come off. You can see my answer right now is no. So I'm going to shake it. You can either use the top or the front to get your answer. That is totally up to you. Oh, try again. So you're supposed to ask it a question and then shake it and see what your answer is. Oh man, mystery face. Am I going to be rich? Try again. Ugh.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made my unicorn fortune teller, and I hope you make a super cute one too. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I have tons of craft ideas and fun things to do when you're bored. Say bye. Say bye-bye.
The baby cake.
Yeah, I see the babies.
Say
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.